mathematicians. Today we are going to read a book to help us with making some patterns in math. So this book is called The Cow Who Clucked. And in this book you're going to meet all kinds of animals who say different sounds. And try to remember those sounds because we're going to use them to make a pattern. The Cow Who Clucked by Denise Fleming. There's the beautiful picture. Oh, and I love this picture too. Look at all those stars in the sky. One morning, Cow woke up to find she had lost her moo. The first thing I must do, said Cow, is find my moo. And off she went. Here she says, cluck. Cow met dog. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Woof, woof, said dog. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow, and off she went. Cow stopped to nibble some grass. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Bzz, bzz, said Bee. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow, and on she went. There's Bee. Cow passed cat. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Meow, said Cat. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow, and on she went. There's Cat. Cow cooled her feet in the creek. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Glub, glub, said Fish. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow, and on she went. There's Fish. Cow spotted Duck. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Quack, quack, said Duck. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow, and on she went. And here's Duck. Cow crossed the meadow. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Ma, ma, said Goat. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow, and on she went. Mouse darted past Cow. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Squeak, squeak, said Mouse. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow, and on she went. Here's little Mouse. Cow stepped round Snake. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Sss, sss, said Snake. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow, and on she went. There's Snake. Cow rested under a tree. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Chee, chee, said Squirrel. It is not you who has my moo, said Cow, and on she went. There's the squirrel. Cow spied Owl. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Hoo, hoo, said Owl. It is not you who has my moo, sighed Cow. There's Owl. And she headed for the barn. Cow shuffled past Hen. Cluck, cluck, said Cow. Moo, moo, said Hen. There's Hen. Bye. Hen, cried Cow. It is you who has my moo. There's Hen. And the chicks say peep, peep, cluck, moo. All fixed up. They're all saying the right things. And here they are calling to the night sky, calling to the stars. The end. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed the book The Cow who clucked just as much as I did. I thought it was super fun. One of the things I love most about it is all of the animal sounds that happen throughout the book. So today for math, we are going to use those animal sounds to make a pattern. So first thing, I want to show you each of the animals that we're going to be using today and what motion and sound that they do. Okay, so the first one is the fish. Remember when the cow met the fish? And the fish said, glub, glub. Can you get your fins right next to your fish face and say, glub, glub? Nice. Do you think you can remember that? I know you can. All right, next is the duck. And ducks, as you know, they waddle back and forth like this. So for the duck, you're gonna waddle, and you know what ducks say. Ducks say, quack, quack. Okay, you try it. Waddle and quack, quack. Very good. So far we have learned a fish who says glub, a duck who says quack. Let's go on to our next character. Another animal that the cow met was the mouse. And the mouse, as you can see in the picture, puts her paws up like this and says, squeak, squeak. You do it with me. Make sure you put your paws up and say, squeak, squeak. Good. Okay, let's review what we have so far. We have glub from the fish, quack from the duck, and squeak from the mouse. Our last but not least character is the snake. And the snake, move this forward so you can see a little bit better. The snake says, it's actually like a little warning to say, ooh, cow, do not step on me. I am right here. And the snake also wiggles her body. So we're gonna wiggle back and forth like this and say, wiggle that snake body in front of you. Good job telling that cow not to step on you. Okay, let's review what we have for all of our animals. First, we have the fish says glub, the duck says quack, the mouse says squeak, and finally, last but not least, the snake says sss. All right, now we are going to make a pattern. So I will be your pattern conductor, and you will be each of my characters. So when I point to the character, you, my actors, will make the character sound in motion. Ready? Here we go. Fish, mouse, fish, mouse, pause. What do you think is going to come next? Do that animal. Did you do this? Glub, glub. Nice work. Okay, let's do another one. Are you ready, actors? All right. Duck, snake, duck, snake, duck. What's gonna come next? Can you show me? Very nice, my actors. Did you do this? Give yourself a little pat on the back if you did. And take a bow because you are all actors. All right, let's do another one. This is the last one for this pattern. All right, ready, actors? Fish, snake, fish, snake, pause. What comes next? Show me. Oh, very nice. I saw glub, glub. Very good. All right, now we're going to make a little bit of a trickier pattern. Let's see if I can move it. There we go. Okay. Actors, at the ready. Very good. snake, duck, mouse, snake, duck, mouse, snake. What comes next? Can you act it out? Did you go quack, quack? If so, take a bow. You can also do a curtsy. Very nice. All right, one more that's in this type of pattern. This is called an ABC pattern because it's got 3 parts to it. Let's go on. Mouse, fish, snake, mouse, fish, snake, mouse, fish. What's next? Did you go like the snake? Very good job. Give yourself some spirit fingers. Woo! Very good. All right, so today we did a couple of different patterns. We did a pattern that has 2 parts. We did an A-B pattern. A, B. Then we did a different kind of pattern that has 3 parts. So our pattern label has 3 letters. A, B, C. Now it's your turn. Go onto Seesaw and decide whether the pattern is A, B, or A, B, C. I know you're gonna do a great job. Thanks for acting with me today. Everyone, please. Let's take our stage bow. We need a lot of room for this. All right, my friends. And take a bow. And take a bow. See you next time.